Now, let us go to the next. This example just now you have finished. Like this only, I will give another two. Try to do it fast. A jar contains 9 white and 4 black balls. I am dictating, even you can copy down from this only, or you can directly solve the problem. A sample of size 2 is made. A jar contains 9 white and 4 black balls. A sample of size 2 is made. What is the probability that the sample is in the order black, white? What is the probability that the sample is in the order black, white? Complete this. Let me the answer from you people. All of you know how to calculate probability, favorable outcome divided by total outcome. Type your answers in the chat box. For example, total will become 9 plus 4. Okay, 3 by 13. Rahul Raj, Pragati 3 by 13. Total you are telling, na? Black, white together. Only black means you will get a 4 by 13. Okay, correct. Next is I want white, black. Okay. 3 by 13 total you are telling. Priya Patil 3 by 13. Pavan 3 by 13. Pavan Jain. Oh no, Pavan Jain. Okay. Priya Patil, Abhishek Kulkarni 3 by 13. All are getting 3 by 13. Good. Those who are completed, don't waste your time. Be active. Go to the next problem statement given in the same slide. Sindhu, Aditya Hiremat, Karthik Gangier, all are giving, okay, same answer, 3 by 13. Vijay Lakshmi, Amrita, 3 by 13. Saujanya, 3 by 13. Now go to the next problem statement. A jar contains 9 white and 4 black balls. A sample of size 3 is made. What is the probability that the sample is in the order black, black, white? What is the probability that the sample is in the order black, black, white? Total is 13 only. 9 plus 3. Now you have to take black, black, white. 9 by 143. 0. Never write 0.167 like that. Chaitra, please avoid that. Always write down some numerator divided by denominator. Never write using calculator. Okay, avoid it. Calculator, I need it after few slides. 9 by 143. Most of them they are writing 9 by 143. I think answer may be correct. Aditya, Shilpa, Shivani, Srijana, Rohit, Shivani Edahalli, Abhishek Kulkarni, Saujanya, Geeta, Monica, Jaya, Adnya, all are getting 9 by 143. They are more active compared to offline class. In the online class only everybody is doing good. Keep it up. I'll wait for another 30 seconds, then we'll go to the next slide. Those who are not yet completed, do it fast. And if you type your answers, that will be your attendance. Type your answers, otherwise you will not get attendance. So let us go to the next. Four by 13, 9 by 12, 3 by 1 minute. Okay, the first one, second one, let us go to second one. So 9 by 143, what you are told, all of you is correct. So instead of waiting here, there only I have waited. So let us go to the next. Measure of information. See, the purpose of communication is to convey some information. All of us know this. How to measure the information? In the first day, I have shown some video how we calculate the weight and all. We have some unit. Source transmits some information, some message. At the receiver, we will not be knowing what is transmitted, but we will be knowing the probability. Is there any relation between the probability and the measure of information? That we are going to discuss now. Let us consider some examples. America conquered the Iraq. Or second message, Iraq conquered or invaded the America. Or take another interesting example. Dog biting a man. It's a common yaar. Man biting a dog, definitely will ask more questions in this. Arey, wo kaun hai? So definitely you'll get more information. If today is a Friday, of course today is a Thursday. If I say tomorrow is a Friday, so I will not get any information. The reason is probability is equal to 1. When probability is equal to 1, there is no information at all. This is one important point which you have to remember. Let us take another simple example to understand this. I am planning to visit Chennai in the winter time. All of us know Chennai is a coastal. And there I make a phone call to the weather bureau. Simply I will ask about the weather condition before I go. They say sun will rise in east tomorrow when you are coming to the Chennai. Will I get any information? Yes or no? What is the probability that sun will rise in east? 1. Therefore there is no information at all. Good. So I can say I won't get any information. And weather will be dry. When I say Chennai, when it is coastal, most of the time we know weather will be dry only. I may get a little information. If they say, no, tomorrow or when you are visiting after some days, it will be very cold in the Chennai, which is unexpected. So therefore I can say more information I'll get. And if they say there will be snowfall in the Chennai when you are coming next week, which is impossible, but if I get such information, I can say I'm getting a lot of information, very large information. Just go through these examples, try to understand how the probability related to the information. Okay, let us go to the next slide. Higher the probability, lesser the information. This one line you have to remember. Definition of information. Higher the probability, lesser the information means the information is inversely proportional to the probability. And these two lines are very important. First line, if two independent messages are received, M1 and M2, then the total information content equal to the sum of the individual information contained, I1 and I2. Because of message 1 I am getting information 1, because of message 2 I am getting information 2, then total information will become I1 plus I2. And another second line is, probability of a composite message is the product of the two individual probabilities. If the M1 ka probability P1 hai, M2 ka probability P2 hai, then the total probability, joint probability of these two occurring is a P1 into P2. So copy down these two lines and try to understand the meaning of this. No doubt we are going to discuss these with problems later. I will pause for a 30 seconds. Okay, then now let us go to the next slide. Hope all of you have understood whatever you have discussed so far and all of you are active. Amount of information is given by I, we write in general for a message K, I equal to log 1 by P. The K message probability is a P. So in general you remember I equal to log 1 by P, but base 2 we take. Base 2 if I take, then it is measured in terms of bits. And remember, sometimes in your calculator base 2 is not available. So that time you have to write log 1 by pk to the base 10 only divided by log 2 to the base 10. So that you will get in terms of bits. So copy down this one equation and remember we usually measure in terms of bits. And one more information is written in the last line. I of mk equal to 0 for p of k equal to 1 means priority becomes 1, information becomes equal to 0. You can type 1 and you can calculate. You will come to know. Normally we choose base 2 and other methods are there, but throughout our semester, throughout our subject we use base 2 only. But you should know some of the points, that's why I am discussing now. The corresponding unit of information is bit. If a source produces two equiprobable messages x1, x2 with a half, then the information will become equal to, all of us know how to write information equal to, calculate and tell the answer using your calculator. Hope previous slide you have taken. I equal to log 1 by p. Means I have to write log 1 by 2 to the base 2. If I don't know base 2, what I have to do? Log 1 by p divided by log 2. Both I have to take base 10. We will see who will give the answer first. Proof will be there in this chat box. That shows whether the previous slide you have copied or not that one equation. Anyway, I told just now. Okay, Karthik told, Abhishek told, very good. It is a 1. Chaitra, Rohit, Bharat, don't copy from others, Prithviraj, Shripad, Suhasini, Ritika, Malikarjun, Ammu, Shivani, Preeti, Devraj, Simran, Aditya, Priya, Siddharth, Rahul Raj, Prajakta, Amrita, Geeta. Okay, all of you getting 1. It's good. I of x of the same thing just now I told. You will get a 1 bit. That's all. Now, let us go to the next. Anybody is having any doubts? I will pause for a minute. Okay, let me complete one more slide. Then I will pause. If a base is 10 instead of 2, it will not be called as a bits. Because 10 is there, we call it as a decit. Or we call it as a Hartley. Most of the time we use bit only, but you should know. Base 10 if I take, these are the units. And if the base is Neperian, if you take a logarithmic e, then it will be called as a nat. Unit is nat. So copy down these two. Okay, hope all of you have copied these two. Okay. Now, calculate the amount of information if p equal to 1 by 4. Do it fast. Use the same equation. Very good. Devraj told 2. Geet, I think Vishwa, Nivedita, Ritika, Shripad, Simran, Charan, Bharat, Rohit, Shivani, Adnya, Pannaga Prabhu, Chaitra, Siddharth. Okay, it is a 2 only. Correct. Geeta, Arjun, Jyoti, Abhirup, Shilpa. The answer is correct. Rahul Raj, Prithviraj, Aditya, Ammu. These are the, hey, I told I think 2 is correct. Okay, I equal to 2 bits. Now, let me go to the next. Calculate the amount of information for this. If p equal to 1 by 2, if p equal to 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16, 1 by 16. Chaitra is writing. Very good. Chaitra 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good, Chaitra. What about others? Hey, don't copy and write, Correct. Answers are correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Just cross-verify your answer. Those who are not yet done. Simran, Pavan, Karthik, Amrita, Praveen Patil, all are correct. Shuha, Makandar. Okay. All are correct. So let us go to the next. This is very important. You should remember. Unless otherwise specified, it should be understood that the unit of information is bit and all associated logarithmics have to be evaluated for the base 2. Note down this base 2 throughout our discussion in this semester. We use base 2 only. If you do not mention anything, by default it is a base 2. Okay. And it's the easiest method is there. After this, we'll pause for 2-3 minutes. I think time is also coming up. And conversion formula may be used directly. All of us know this formula. So simply, I'll take log x to the base 10 divided by log 2 to the base 10. 1 divided by log 2 to the base 10, I'll do it. I'll get 3.322. Simply in your calculator take base 10 only, but multiply it to 3.322, it will become for base 2 by default. So please note down this last equation and try to understand. So in your calculator base 10 is available for log. Simply multiply it with 3.322 so that you will get a for base 2 automatically. Hope all of you have copied this. Let us take one example. Otherwise, I'll pause for a minute. Anybody is having any doubts? I will come online, then we'll continue this. Stop sharing and okay, anybody is having any other doubts? Whatever I have discussed so far, if you want to ask something, I think, can you see me? Somebody is sharing share. No, I think somebody's icon is coming here. Okay, 1 minute. Any doubts? Otherwise, we'll go to the problem. If you want to ask anything, you can ask. And one more thing, some of the students, I think they are not filled that Google form. Again, I had to admit them. Even though I told the students to give their email IDs and other information. Something went wrong. 1 minute. Okay. Now, okay, now we'll continue the next one example. A card is selected at a random. You are told that it is from the red color suit. How much information you received? How much more information is needed to completely specify the card? Just copy down. Copy down the problem statement. A card is selected at random. You are told that it is from the red color. How much information you received and how much more information is needed to completely specify the card. And I'm sure most of you know the card. Anybody don't know the cards? You just type it. No. Type no. Oh, very good. All of you know. Good. Okay, let us go to the solution. When all of you know, then there is no problem. Total number of cards will be how many? Type now. If you know the answer. Yeah, so fast, Monica. Good. Praveen. Shripal. Sacha. Oh, everybody is typing the answer. So good. Okay. First is correct. The total number of cards are 52. Number of red color, how many will be there? 26. Very good. Total black, automatically remaining are 26. I hope all of you know this. If you don't know also, this much is the minimum information you should know, so that you can solve the problem. Now, those who have not seen, first time if they are seeing, so they can count also. And everybody, I hope everybody knows this. Number of red are 26, number of blacks are 26, total are 52. Don't ask joker and all. So, just cards I am talking now. Okay, leave them. Coming to the next. These suits are for what you call, I don't know, diamond, clovers, heart, spades, something, some other name also you may use. But these are the only 4. We have a different suits. This is another information one should know to solve the problem. Next, solution. There are 26 red cards out of 52. So what is the probability that I may get a red color? Half. Why? 26 I have divided by 52. I'll get 1 by 2. Similarly, therefore, L equal to information, how much it will become? 1 bit. Just as I have told, log, if I take 2, it will be the 1 base 2. Now, similarly, if the card is completely specified, means only 1 card I want out of 52. What is the probability of that? 1 divided by 52. What is the information? Calculate it and tell it. Means log 1 divided by 1 by 52. Some bits you will get, because base 2. Type the answers. 5.7, Abhay, Monica, Devraj, Prithviraj, Saujanya, Rohit, Varsha, Surya something, okay. Simran, Aditya, Shripad, Karthik, Shilpa, Janvi. 5.7 may be correct because everybody is telling. Now, the answer is log 52 I have to do. And I'm happy that most of the students, everybody, not most, everybody has multiplied 3.332. What will happen after some time, after 2-3 days or after 1 week or after 20-30 days, you'll forget multiplying 3.332. So you'll not get in terms of bits. That's another dangerous which you have to remember. Those who have done well and good, those who have not done, just copy it on at least and try to understand. Therefore, the additional information needed is I dash minus I. So I have I dash 5.7. I have how much? I think 1 bit. So difference between these two, I'll get the 4.7 bits. Copy down and try to understand. Okay. Hope all of you understood this much. Now, I think you're about to complete. Just revise whatever you have taken so far. Shall I spend 2 minutes? Out of syllabus? Yes. We'll see. Some question is there. For the students, we'll see who will answer first. Either you can say yes or no. Okay? I'll ask the question. Question is only for girl students, means boys should not answer. Getting the question? Read it and answer either yes or no. Yes or no? Nobody's typing anything. No. Okay, I expected this answer from. Hey, boys, don't type yes, only it is for girls. No. I expected at least one yes here and there. No. Okay. Just think about your mother or your grandmother who has not done the job at all. Think about them also. Anyway, those who are interested, we'll have a debate on some other day, whether to do it or not. There's so many other such things we'll have a debate some other day, whenever the time permits. Now, just I'll take another 2 minutes, I'll wind up this. Good nation is built by 3 persons. I'm not telling, somebody has told, just I'm repeating what they have told. A teacher, a farmer, and a third person who contribute more for the building the nation is a housewife. So because of your grandmother or because of your mother, definitely, okay, they have contributed a lot. You might have achieved something, your father might have achieved something, somebody might have achieved a lot of things because of their contribution. I am not telling this, it is told by somebody else. I hope you might have heard name of Siddheshwara Swamiji. I am not against if somebody is doing the job. Okay, it's just a debatable issue. Just somebody told, just I'm revising, just I'm sharing that information with you people. Okay, so I think now we can conclude the class. And next class also I want you people to have a somebody is writing, sir, also good politicians. Okay. Okay, good. Politicians also good. We agree, definitely. And I am not telling, just I told, Siddheshwar Swamiji has told, just I am repeating, okay, because it's not it's debatable. I cannot say only 3 members. What he told, the contribution of these 3 people is more. It doesn't mean others are not at all contributing. All are contributing, but these 3 people, you can say, more important, what he told. Anyway, we'll continue in the next class, and please keep a calculator with you, and I want you people to answer the questions whenever I ask, and have a good day, take care. So we'll continue in the next class. Bye. Any other thing if you want to ask, you can ask. I'll be there for another few seconds for you people. Thank you. And email, those who are not yet to fill that form, you fill the form today also. Okay? Today also you fill the form. Otherwise, next class, I will not permit anybody whose name is not there in that particular list. If possible, next class we will try to use the same link. I will try. If I get the same link, we will use the same link.